Hey, this is Carson from Starkweather Association Services with another 1 Minute YM here. Today I'm going to show you how you can view email campaign stats within YM. After you've sent an email campaign from your site, if you go to Directory and CRM, and on the left click Email and Newsletters, and then click Campaigns, you'll see a list of all of the campaign jobs within your site. For any that have been status complete, if you go to Report over here to the right, you'll land on an overall report summary for this email. And you're going to see on this page that it shows you some stats such as how many total were processed, total delivered, total opened, so on and so forth. You can also go up to here to Activity, and you can see more specific drill down into categorized emails for this particular job. For instance, any hard bounce, processed, rejected, so on. Anything that you click here or anything that you click here on the main landing page is going to actually show you the email addresses correspondent with that particular category. For instance, if I open total opened here, click on this 3, you'll see that it shows me the email addresses and the records associated that have opened that email. So one more time, that's going to be under Directory and CRM, Email and Newsletters, Campaigns. If you go to the far right, click on Report, and here's where you'll see stats for your email campaign that was completed. This is useful if you ever need to report or export data on the recipients of your email campaigns in order to determine or view how successful or how well those campaigns are being driven. This has been another 1 Minute YM. If you have any questions on what I've shown you today, or if you're interested in how Starkweather Association Services can help you further, please do not hesitate to contact us via email or give us a ring. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.